Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lisa. Today I am doing a jewelry video. A couple of years ago, I worked with a company called Starlette. They make rings, mostly cubic zirconian and sterling silver rings. And I showed two pieces back then. I showcased this ring, which is a beautiful engagement ring, and a thumb ring, a sterling silver thumb ring, which is actually one of their best sellers. I wear this in most of my process videos when I'm doing the artsy fartsy stuff. Well, they have another thumb ring. I'm so excited, which I'm going to show you. They are under new ownership, and the new owners reached out to me, really nice people, Tim and Angela, and they asked if I would work with them again. And of course I said yes, because I just love their jewelry. And I chose two rings and a pair of earrings to show you. I do have a discount link. If you click it, it's going to give you 10% off your entire order. So I'll leave that in the description box below. And let's get into the jewelry. So the first ring I want to show you is, I'm going to show you the thumb ring first. This one. This is an adjustable thumb ring. This is sterling silver gold-plated ring. It comes in sizes 6, let me get this correct, 6, 8, and 10. This is an 8. It is adjustable, and it actually looks a little bit, if you've been to Chicago, it looks like the Chicago bean. You ever see that sculpture? I saw it one time. Let me put it on my ring finger, my other ring finger opposite this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And I love that it's adjustable. This goes for $83. I'm gonna double check. Yes, it's called the Millennium Ring. $83, and you're gonna get 10% off that one. I'll give you another close-up looky to that ring. All right, the next ring I'm gonna show you is the Seaside Ring. The Seaside Ring goes for $76. Wait till you see this stunner. It's a sterling silver ring with blue 3A quality cubic zirconian stones. Yeah, it's gorgeous. So that's a close-up. Let's put this one on. I'm going to take off this one. I think this is called the Stella. Let me just show you that one. This was from an old video. I love it. A lot of people like to wear cubics when they go travel. They don't want to travel with their real diamonds. And these look like diamonds. Here's the Seaside Ring. Get a nice close-up. I broke a nail the other day. But my other nails still look pretty good. Isn't that gorgeous? That's the Seaside. This is a size 6. It comes in multiple sizes, so I'm sure they have your size. $76. Okay, so we got the sterling silver gold-plated thumb ring to match my other thumb ring and the Seaside Ring. All right, the last piece of jewelry I'm going to show you is a pair of hoop earrings. Who doesn't love a good pair of hoop earrings? They're so feminine. And look at this box. It's like a little jewelry box. This is $9.25 sterling silver hoops. 50 millimeters, and this goes for $50. Gives you a nice close-up of them, and they open like so, and then they just stick back in there. I'm going to put some paws and put them on. You don't want to see me put them on camera. No. That's not good. I'll be right back to show you what they look like. I'm back. Aren't those gorgeous? I love me a good hoop earring. They make me feel pretty. Put your hair back, show your hoops, strut down the street. It's just fun jewelry. It's really fun. So I will leave the link down below for these beautiful hoops. They were very easy to put on. They're not huge, but they're not small either. Like they're medium size, 50 millimeters, millimeters. Say that 10 times too fast. So that's Starlette. I will leave the links to all the jewelry down below. My link will automatically give you 10% off. I want to thank Angela and Tim for sending me these lovely pieces to show you. The company name Starlette. You're also going to get in your box, by the way, a really nice cleaning cloth to polish silver, because you want to keep your goods clean. Has their name on it. Little Starlette. I haven't cleaned this ring in ages, so let's see how it goes. Oh wow. Definitely needed a nice cleaning. Definitely. I'm sorry, I'm just like so hot here today, guys. So if you see me kind of like a little disheveled, it's because it's hot. It's hot in Florida. And even though we have the AC running, I'm still like, ugh, it's kind of a little unbearing. Okay, let me wrap up the video. These are the beautiful earrings. Really pretty. The ring, the millennium ring, and the seaside ring, which is absolutely gorgeous with the blue cubic zirconians. I don't know, I don't have a piece like this, so it's like it's really a special ring. The link down below will give you 10% off your order. Starlette, they're American made company, American bought company, because it is with new ownership. I'd like to thank Tim and Angela for trusting in me to showcase their jewelry. It's really beautiful, and thank you so much for sending me these pieces. I really appreciate it, and I thank you guys for watching. I hope you come join me in my next one. So next time you see me in an art process video, you're gonna see both of these thumb rings when I'm doing all my artsy fartsy stuff. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.